Hey guys, I've got a John Deere LA125 with a 21 horsepower Briggs engine. Now the engine here has been quite problematic to the owner, and I'm going to show you the symptoms and I'm going to show you the exact problem. And I'll show you what it does when you try to start this engine. Now all you get when you try to start up this engine is a bit of sputtering. Now it does appear sometimes like it does want to start, but it never does. And you're going to see very quickly here what the exact problem is. You can see here that the flywheel is broken. So what that has done is thrown off the timing. You can see the flywheel key is totally where it should not be. And that's exactly why this engine will not start at all. Now you guys may be wondering what could have caused this flywheel to break like this. Well, what could have caused that is if you're mowing and then you hit something and the engine just stops, like a dead stop. A real sudden stop can cause the flywheel to break like that. Another thing that can cause a flywheel to break up like that is if you have a really bad backfire. So if you get this problem, guys, and your engine will not start and it just sputters like I showed you, check your flywheel. It could be that it's broken. And sometimes if the flywheel is not broken, you may just have the flywheel key broken, and that's enough to cause the engine to not start as well. But in this case, it broke up the flywheel as well. You can see that it damaged the keyway here on the crankshaft, so before I put in a new flywheel, I am going to have to fix that. The way I'm going to do that is tap it a bit and just file it a bit, and I'm going to try to bring back the groove the way it used to be. So that's it for my lawn tractor quick tip today, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to bookmark this video for your future repairs, and have yourselves a great day.